Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Two Phones, aka iTechUI Guy, here with another informative video. Now this video is about Wi-Fi enabled smart home plug, smart plug. And this is a capsule. It has dual connections. And it also is powered by, works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistants, and IoTTT. Okay, so no further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. Now, on the back, it gives you some of the features that comes with the smart plug. So you have voice control, giving you your hands free to manage your devices through voice commands. Independent controls, one-on-one control makes home appliances more safe. Then you have your remote control, turn on and off office, coffee shop, or random sidewalk. The dual socket, each socket separated and totally independent of each other. Energy monitoring, and it has energy monitoring that checks power history, estimates energy costs, and also controls the minimum and maximum watt usage. And you can set schedule. So this is very interesting. It has its own application on the iOS, Apple App Store, and Google Play. All right, so here we go with the unboxing. All right, let's see what else we got. We got a little manual in here. Let's check it out. Okay, so you got your instructions. Then you have the capsule, the dual control capsule. All right, so it has 100 to 120 watts. Okay, the power, the rated power is 1200 watts, and then the rated current is 10 to 8. Okay, and then this is the button on the side. You plug it in, and this is what it looks like. Two separate sockets. Okay, so no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and set this up into the actual plug. Then I'll show you what it looks like on your smartphone. Okay guys, so after setting it all up, you have to download, once again, you have to download the application, Smart Life, and you open the app up, you set it up, you connect it to the same, the plug, you connect it to the same Wi-Fi connection as your device, your mobile device, and then you find which devices is the one you have. So we have the electrical plug, so you use the electrical socket, and you connect it. Once you start seeing the blink, you start seeing those blink for the indicator, and then after you set it up to the Wi-Fi, it'll automatically connect, and boom, you have your smart socket. So these are the design, these are the switches. So I have it in switch 1. I just turned it off, turn switch on, power's back on. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the whole setup. Okay guys, so as you can see, this product actually works. You saw me turn on the button, saw me turn it off. The process, the setup was fairly easy. All you have to do is find the exact Wi-Fi connection that your smart plug is going to be connected to, as well as your mobile device that you're going to be using this application on, and you'll be able to use it from home, wherever you at, to turn off a smartphone, if it's charging on a tablet or a laptop, wherever device you have plugged into it. You can turn the switch off. It absolutely works. I think it's good. You can buy this right now on Amazon.com for $19.99 for the dual controls. The name of the company is Toyuuga. So shouts to Toyuuga for sending me this product. Let me do a review. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to know more information about Toyuuga and their products, the links are in the description box below. For more information, subscribe to your boy YouTube channel.